In this video, I am discussing 6th standard mathematics, Ganita Prakasha, Chapter 6, perimeter and area. Now, we discussed already perimeter of rectangle, square, and triangle. Now, we will see telegram, tangram. See, in tangram, there are 7 pieces. In that, two triangles, two triangles, one square, and one parallelogram. We can make using tangram pieces a figure like this. These are the pieces of tangram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In tangram, there are 7 pieces. Cut out the tangram pieces given at the end of your book, end of your textbook. See the end of your textbook and cut tangram pieces like this. Now, explore and figure out how many pieces have the same area. 1, 2, two triangles have same area. 1, 2. Another 2 triangles, small. These are in same shape, same side, same angle. 2 triangles have same area. This and this, combining this and this have same area. Combining all these figures have same area because this is a diagonal. You can calculate area using a formula. Next, how many times bigger is shape D as compared to shape C? Shape D as compared to shape C. Now make 2 triangles here, or else calculate area of square. Area of a square is equal to L into L. L square. Here area base into height. 1 by 2 base into height. For a triangle, area is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Is the relationship between shapes C, D, and E? What is the relationship between shapes C, D, and E? Now find all areas and compare. Next, which shape has more area? Shape D or F? Give reasons for your answer. Which shape has more area? Shape F or shape G? Give reason for your answer. First, make all these pieces using your textbook. At the end of your textbook, Tangram figures are given. First, cut and measure the, by using a scale, measure their side and note down by using formula area of square is equal to L into L. That means L square, and area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Use this formula and calculate area of this and compare. This much for in this video. In the next video, I will discuss area of a triangle. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.